takes too much to speak, so I'll just sing. I'm good at making conversation, but only when I'm talking in my sleep. I know enough to know what's normal, and I know enough to know that it's not me. This will come across as too informal, and too late, and too early. But all the rumors no one's ever heard are true, all true. 'Cause I've fallen deep, deep, deep in love with you. I don't allow free range emotions. Yeah, I like to keep the chemicals in check. I never drink the sweet love potions, and I never wear the lockets round my neck. I find faults within the logic, yeah, when I listen to the Shakespeare scholars claim that Romeo and Juliet was tragic. It's Romeo and that whole thing was lame. But if it were you under the balcony, I'd read it through. 'Cause I've fallen deep, deep, deep in love with you. With you. With you. I wouldn't be the first to say it, and I'm not sure I ever really will. But I can write a song and play it, maybe let it reach your ears. Oh, I will take it back tonight, all if I have to. But I've fallen deep, deep, deep in love with you. With you. I've fallen deep, deep, deep in love with you. I don't have much motivation, and it takes too much to speak.